A2A. This is our BR number 3. So for number 1, a uniform rod of mass 3 kg and the length of 2 meter has one end attached by the smooth hinge to a ceiling at A. The other end B is attached to a light and elastic string. The other end of the string is attached to the ceiling at C. The rod makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal and the string an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal as shown. Find the tension in the string. So, first is the AVC is equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree is equals to 90. The length AP is equals to 1 cos 30 degree, and 1 cos 30 degree is equals to square of 3 over 2. Then AV is equals to 2 meter. So we is a given formula, which is the mg times AP plus T times AB is equals to 0. So we substitute the value na given dun sa negative 3 times 9.81 times square root of 3 over 2 plus T times 2 is equal to 0. To get the tension, iwalay natin. So the tension is equals to, pag nilipat natin siya, is 3 times 9.81 times square root of 3 over 4. So pag i-evaluate natin, tension is equals to 12.74 Newton. This is our final answer for number 1. A uniform plank AB is 8 meter long and has a mass of 30 kg. It is supported in equilibrium in a horizontal position by the 2 vertical and extensible ropes. One of the ropes is attached to the plank at A and the other rope to the point C, where BC is equals to 2 meter. Find the tension in each rope. So yun, to find the tension, we use given formula. Tension A plus tension C minus 30 equals to 0. So next is 6 tension C is minus the 30 times 4 is equals to 0. So yung una natin hanapin is si tension C, which is equals to 30 times 9.81 times 4 over 6. If we evaluate, this is equals to 196.2 Newton. Next na hanapin natin naman si tension A, which is 30 minus tension C is equals to 9.81. Next is 30 times the 2 minus 6. Tension A is equals to 0. So tension A is equals to 60 times 9.81 over 6 is equals to 9.81. Next is problem number 3, Newton, which is determine the moment of the force F about point 0. Express the result of Cartesian vector. Next is the moment at tau is equals to OV vector times r cross F vector. So next is the O vector is equals to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Then the V vector is 1i plus 4j plus 2k. Then the C vector is equals to 5i plus 0j plus 0k. So yan, para din makuha yung O vector. So O vector is equals to V vector minus 0. O vector is equals to V vector. So yun, papag-minus lang natin to para makuha daw si OV vector. So the result is 1i plus 4j plus 2k. Next is BC vector is equals to C vector minus V vector. Same process, pero gamitin natin is yung C is subtract kay V vectors is equals to 4i minus 2k. So next is the magnitude of VC is equals to square root of x component 2 plus y component 2 plus c component 2 is equals to magnitude VC is equals to 6. So next is unit vector VC is equals to VC vector over magnitude VC is equals to 0.667i minus 0.667j minus 0.33k. So next is F equals to magnitude F times unit vector VC is equals to 80i minus 80j minus 40k. So next is the Cartesian. We draw Cartesian vector form of F. So we go for the diagonals. So yan, moment of O is equals to OV vector times F. Yeah, I is 1, 80, J is 4 over 8 minus 80, K is 2, sorry for the next, is I is 1, 80, J is 4 over negative 80. So this equals to negative 160i plus 160j minus 80k. Next is negative 160i plus 40j minus 310k over 200j minus 390k. So our final answer for number 3 is 200i minus 390k be feet. So that is our final answer. That is number 4. So 20 Newton horizontally force is applied to perpendicular to the handle of the socket. Range determine the magnitude and the coordinate direction angles of the moment created by this force about points O. So first dito tayo, moment F is equals to OA vector times F. So first we need to do is find the for una is O vector is equals to 0i plus 0j plus 0k, and A vector is equals to 2 sine 15 degree I plus 2 cos 15 degree J plus 0.75k. Kaya A is equals to 0.15 518i plus 0.193j plus 0.75k. So next is the OA vector. To get the OA vector is equals to, sabi dito is a a vector minus O vector. So ito yung dalawa na ito para makuha si O A vector is equals to A vector, kaya magiging 0.518i plus 0.193j plus 0.075k. Next is the f of x is equals to negative 20 cos 15 degree. Evaluate is, this is negative 19.3 Newton. Then f of y is equals to 20 sine 115 degree is equals to 5.18 Newton. And f of z is equals to 0. Then next is getting vector f or f vector. So f vector is equals to negative 19.3 I plus 5.18 plus 0k. So ito yan. So ito yan, yung tatlo na yan. So yun, yung unahin natin is the positive diagonals, which is ito, positive diagonals. Next is the negative diagonals. So yeah, so this is equals to 0i minus 1.47j plus 0.268k. So ito is 0.39ki, so 3.72k. So if we evaluate, ito yung may niya is negative 0.389i minus 1.47j plus 3.99k. But we look magnitude. So ito yung magiging kalabasan niya is equals to, so for magnitude it is equals to square root of x component of 2 plus y component of 2 plus y component of 2. So if we evaluate magiging kalabasan niyan is 4.27 n times m. Ano yan siya? Ito yan, na nagkamali kasi ng pagkasulat. Ayan, ito yung magiging kalabasan niya. So it is for magnitude. Next is inverse cos x over magnitude is equals to 95.2 degree. If evaluate natin is magiging 95.2. And next is the inverse y over magnitude is equals to 110.1 degree. Then last is the cos inverse to the 3.99 over 4.27 is equals to 20.9 degree. So that for problems for RVR number 3. That's all. Thank you.